Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So before starting the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and like the video. In today's video, we are going to make kaleidoscope at home. So the materials we need are cardboard, plastic sheet and black paper. In this kaleidoscope, we are not going to use any mirror from outside. We'll make our mirror at home. For that, first we need to stick black paper on cardboard. And then we need to stick the plastic sheet on the black paper. The glue marks which are currently being seen on plastic sheet won't appear after the sheet is completely dried. You can see that our homemade mirror are reflecting quite well. Now we'll stick the mirrors together such that they form a triangular shape. Now, we will take some small pieces of cardboard for making a small cardboard triangle which goes inside our triangular tube. Now, stick the plastic sheet on one side of triangle. Now add a few pieces of broken bangle in the triangle we made and cover the other side of the triangle. Here our triangle is ready. You can see that it goes quite well in our triangular tube and the design being formed is really nice. I have made such more triangle of beads. Whenever we want to see the design of beads, we can insert that triangle, and whenever we want to see the design of bangles, we can insert that triangle. Now we will cover all the objects we made using a decorative sheet of paper. Here I am using the sheet of wooden print. You can use of your choice.